Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that is new on the New Year's update on Dress to Impress. So the first one you are able to purchase from the weekly boutique. It's only available for 1 week. There's this dress, necklace, and sleeve. This is from last year, and this is new, so I'm just going to purchase it. Let's confirm it. It will be in the dressing rooms here. It's this one, super pretty, and obviously there's codes as well, so let's enter this code, 2026 baddies, let's redeem it. And there are also some new items in the VIP section that I'm very excited about. It is so pretty. We have this headpiece here, this necklace, dress, and etc. Also, there are some new custom makeup stuff. I think there's new eyeshadow, I believe. Yeah. And there is also, I think, some like not one new hair. They brought back like a hair. I don't remember which one though. Oh, it's this one. Okay, this one's new, I guess. But yeah, those are the new items on the 2026 Dress to Impress New Year's update. I know it's not New Year's yet, but obviously they just put it out now. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.